Hello guys, welcome to our channel, the YT University, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can use Autodesk TynkerCad in order to build and create your first Arduino. Alright, so this is just a guide. This is the digital simulation of your Arduino, so you still need to buy your Arduino kit and assemble it. Alright, but before anything else, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos like this. So to start with Autodesk TynkerCAD is you need to have an account. So please sign up and then log in. Alright, and afterwards you will be prompted to this website wherein or page that you're able to customize your profile and then create your own designs. So when you click create, so you have options like 3D design, circuit and code blocks. Alright, so we go with circuit because we're dealing with or we're creating Arduino circuits. So it has a name or but you can edit it. So just click that one and then write Sir Ed, that's my name, that's me, then servo. It depends on you on how you name it. And then you just have to refresh and then let's start. So you can see this is your dashboard. It's simple. So you can see that the electronic parts are here. You just have to drag and drop. Okay. Alright. So click this one if you don't want this. So delete it using the bin. Click the bin. Okay. And then here's where uh, you can get all the things you need for your circuit. Alright, so um, these are the basic components. So let's go to Arduino components. Okay, so if I'm gonna drag this one and drop it here, you will see that I'm gonna have a breadboard and Arduino Uno R3. Okay, so the red wire is your pin. Okay, for the GND, for the 5 volts. Okay, and the black wire is for the negative, which is the GND. Alright, so this is what you need. So let's just drag it to the proper place. Let's put it right here. Yeah, there we go, so that I will have a lot of space for my servo. Alright, so you can search the part that you need and then click it here. Yeah, and then put it here. So as you know, a servo has 3 pin. Okay, so this is for the signal, this is for the power, which is the 5 volts, and then this one is for the negative or the ground. Alright, so you can add wires by just clicking and then clicking right here, so it's connected. Okay, so you can change the color by using the assignment color for the wire. That's gonna be black. Alright, and then I'm gonna add one more for the positive. I'm gonna make it red because why not? No one tells me that I cannot do that. And then this is the signal, which will go to my pin number 9. Alright, okay, there you go, and I'm gonna change the color to green. Alright, so why number 9? Because it supports digital pulse width modulation. Alright, so more about the pulse width modulation in some of our videos. Okay, so this part here is just the USB. Okay, D type USB. So the next thing that we're going to do is to create a code. So here, if you click this one, this is your editor. We do not need this. So we just dump it in the bin. Okay, so you have choices to code using C++, okay, using your favorite text editor, and just copy the code and then paste it here and then start simulating. Okay, so or use the code blocks, okay, the blocks of code, just like what we do in Scratch. So if you're familiar with Scratch, you will be able to um, use this feature easily. Okay, so and first and foremost, um, you must understand how the servo works. So it changes its position. So that means we need a variable, okay, for that, just like what we do when coding Arduino. Okay, so we go to variables and create one variable. Let's say POS, which stands for position, and I'm gonna create that one there. Okay, so for the controls, so it will work when the start button is clicked, or this one. So you go to controls and then on start. Okay, on start simulation, that's what it means. I want you to set my variables to 0. Alright, set position to 0. Okay, and maybe this uh, servo is not aligned, so I'm gonna go to output. Okay, um, so rotate, I'm gonna rotate my servo to initial position of 0 degrees. So if this is not aligned properly, I wanted to go back to 0 degrees. Okay, so that should do it. Okay, and then afterwards I'm gonna go back to my variables. Okay, uh-huh, or my controls rather. uh, so I want it to move um, 1 degree every 1 second. So just like a clock. Alright, I want it that way. So I'm gonna use this block. Okay, you can also use if else. So you can use repeat because it keeps on repeating unless otherwise, or while the code is true. Okay, while the code is true. Okay, so here we're gonna go to math and set our condition. Okay, so here we grab that one and then we go to variable. So while the position is less than 179, so I'm gonna say 179. There you go. So the condition inside the repeat block uh, will be done. Okay, while still the condition while position is less than 179 degrees. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is go to um, change, alright, pause by +1. Okay, it will add one, and then next is after it adds one, I'm gonna uh, this is servo pin, so I'm gonna use number 9 because it's the signal. Okay, and then I'm gonna rotate, okay, pin number 9, all right, to position. Okay, so whatever the value of the position, that is also the value of your angle. All right, so and then I'm gonna wait for 1 second. Okay, wait for 1 second. Okay, so that's it. Let's just try. So if we click the start, let's see what happens. So it's working, yay! So So the just the clock. So you can also change, okay, the way it moves by changing the weight. Okay, so by 0.1. All right, so let's try that. So a little faster. So that's it. If you are familiar with Scratch, then you will enjoy this thing. All you have to do now is to buy your Arduino kits and then try to create it.